I love it. Your style in teaching is amazing.
Everybody can't teach like the way you are teaching, sir, actually.
The way you taught, it was very organized. It started from the right scratch. Step by step, you move towards the complexity.
And the package is amazing. I think that I can learn so much from you.
And it is very easy to understand.
You are ready to like give me the answer or give the correction immediately at any time. As a student, it's very helpful.
Your way of teaching the presentation is very clear, easy to understanding.
I really enjoyed your class structure and as well as the displaying of all the codes.
And I feel like all biologists must learn programming.
I'm very happy to get a teacher like you. Means your teaching pedagogy is really so impressive.
I must say it's been a good one. It's been a great one.
So since this workshop provided me a lot of hints that I can work on. So thank you so much once again.
The basic course was exactly what I needed to start my journey in the data analysis and programming. And teaching style was super approachable. And
I really love the way you teach, sir.
Such courses are helping us to again get updated.
Your teaching is excellent. There's no other word at all.
I really enjoyed the teaching style.
A very good command over the language, and you have very good diction that instills confidence in the student who is actually attending your workshop.
In a year, I'm going to defend my PhD and go for a postdoc. Having the computer knowledge has value when I apply for a job.
The thing that I like most about you is how well prepared you come every day. Any kind of doubt, you have never denied anyone.
But Vipin ji is a very cool guy, patient.
I have been really wanting to learn for so long. Yeah, I've been enjoying your class thoroughly.
It is streamlined so well. So I wanted to do the assignments.
Yes.
I'm also interested in your future programs.
I feel more confident in my Python program.
You have amazing teaching skills actually. You give so much time to clear doubts.
We always used to say in Amity that Vipin sir is the best.
It was overall a great workshop. I think it's best for any beginners to start with Python. And thank you so much. It was really indeed a very good class.